So this happened. A shattered screen on my brand new PicoCalc. This is exactly what you want to avoid, and honestly, it's so easy to do if you're not careful. But don't worry, I'm going to show you 2 essential tricks, a specific way to remove the back panel, and a simple tape hack to make sure you don't end up like me. The number one reason these screens break is during disassembly. First, turn off your PicoCalc and then unscrew all 6 screws from the back cover. Now here is the most crucial part. You need to carefully lift only the back panel away from the rest of the kit. To do this safely, use your fingernail to gently hold down the GPIO ports on the side. Optionally, you can hold down the SD card port instead. While keeping that downward pressure on the ports, slowly and carefully just pull the back panel up and off the kit. This technique ensures the internal components stay put, preventing any accidental drops or pressure on the screen. And with the back shell off, you have direct access to the board. You can swap batteries, change out your Pico, change out your SD card, and more. For the next tip, we need to disconnect the screen's ribbon so we can remove the board and access the screen underneath. And here is where the life-saving tape hack comes in. All you need are 2 small pieces of tape, each about 1 to 2 inches long, and apply 1 piece to the mid-left edge of the screen's back panel, and do the exact same thing to the mid-right side edge. This creates a simple but sturdy safety harness that holds your screen firmly in place. And that's really all it takes. To keep your PicoCalc screen safe, just remember these 2 things. First, when you take the screen off, hold down the GPIO or SD card ports while lifting only the back panel. Second, apply tape to the mid-left and mid-right edges of the screen's back. With these 2 tips, you can swap boards and tinker with your PicoCalc without ever having to worry about damaging your screen. I'm JBlanked. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and for more PicoCalc content, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, peace.